Are you trapped in a never-ending cycle of debt with a merchant cash advance? Do you struggle to make payments and feel like there's no way out? Well, I have good news for you. You can take steps to break free from the burden of a merchant cash advance and regain control of your finances. In this video, I will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to get out of a merchant cash advance. From understanding the terms and conditions of your agreement to exploring alternative financing options, I'll walk you through the process of escaping this financial trap. So, if you're ready to regain control of your business and life, keep watching. Please like and subscribe, click the bell icon to get new video updates, and leave your comments below. Follow the strategies outlined in this article. Click the link in the description below. This will give you 9 options to freeing yourself from the burden of a merchant cash advance and paving the path toward financial stability and success. If you ask yourself, how do I get rid of MCA? You're not alone. Merchant cash advances can be challenging to pay off and quickly put a business owner into a deep financial hole. The good news is that plenty of options are available to those who need to find their way out. One of the most frequently asked questions businesses have regarding getting out of an MCA is how long it will take. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. However, if you understand your options and plan carefully, reducing the burden of MCA payments may be possible by seeking alternative financing or debt consolidation services. When scouting out new financing partners or debt relief services, research any fees associated with their services and their impact on credit scores to make informed decisions about which option is right for you. With careful planning and consideration, getting out of an MCA on time and getting back on track with your business finances is possible. Another common question is, what happens if I don't pay my merchant cash advance? The answer to this depends on the terms of your loan agreement. In general, failure to repay your loan could lead to collections and legal action against you or your business. Other questions that need answering include, how are repayments calculated? What options do I have if I struggle to repay the loan? 9 out of the 10 questions people ask center around these topics. Work with your lender for payments and options. Another question is, can a cash advance company sue you? The answer can vary depending on the situation. In general, if you have defaulted on an ongoing merchant cash advance loan and not made a conscious effort to communicate with the lender about your repayment terms or intentions, then yes, the company has the right to take legal action against you. Experts recommend that every business owner enters discussions early and openly to determine any potential outcomes should payment issues arise. Such conversations with lenders can often result in new repayment structures or compromised options that suit both parties. A cash advance company will always be willing to work with customers to achieve their mutual success. One common question is, what happens if I default on a merchant cash advance? The short answer is collection agencies can contact you, and you can be subject to legal action. To avoid these scenarios, before taking out a merchant cash advance or any similar type of loan, ensure you understand all the terms and conditions of the loan agreement. Additionally, review your budget carefully to ensure that you can manage the payments without getting into debt. Suppose things still don't go as planned, and you need help with repayment. In that case, several options are available to assist you, such as debt settlement agreements, refinancing loans with lower interest rates, or forbearance programs. Communication with your lender is critical to avoiding unnecessary trouble down the road. Getting out of a merchant cash advance or other harmful business loans can be tricky, and that is why it pays to understand the terms and conditions of such loans and possible solutions to getting out of them. One common question people have when looking at merchant cash advances is whether they report to credit bureaus, since this will affect their ability to get funding elsewhere. The answer to that question is a complex one. Generally speaking, merchant cash advances do not report directly to credit bureaus, neither personal credit nor business credit, but there are exceptions as some lenders choose to do so. If you miss payments and enter into collections, the creditor may report it to the bureaus to recover their money. To mitigate potential complications from your lender reporting adverse action-related debt, you must find solutions for paying off these loans or renegotiating payment plans before defaulting on them. Getting out of a merchant cash advance may seem daunting, but it is absolutely possible with the right strategies and determination. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Seek guidance from financial experts, explore alternative funding options, and stay proactive in managing your cash flow. With patience and perseverance, you can break free from the burden of a merchant cash advance and regain control of your business's financial future. Don't let it hold you back any longer. Take the necessary steps to secure your financial freedom today,